When you live on the road, you learn one thing fast. Cold doesn't care about your plans. Wind shifts, temperatures drop, and suddenly your tent isn't just shelter, it's survival. A real hot tent isn't about hype or looks. It's about holding heat, standing firm in bad weather, and giving you a place to reset when the world outside is frozen. In this video, I'm breaking down the best hot tents for camping. From lightweight solo setups to serious winter shelters, through a nomad's lens. I've looked at space, materials, stove compatibility, and how these tents actually behave when conditions turn rough. If you're planning winter camping, long-term travel, or off-grid nights where warmth matters, this guide will help you choose a tent you can trust, not just carry. The FIREHIKING hot tent is a simple, no-nonsense square pyramid designed for solo campers or minimalist duos who value ease of setup over extreme weather performance. It's 210 T polyester with a 2,500 millimeter waterproof rating is adequate for rain, light snow, and shoulder season winter trips. But it's not built for deep alpine storms or sustained heavy snowfall. The pyramid structure does a decent job shedding wind when properly guyed out, and the interior height makes it feel more livable than many budget hot tents. However, this tent is best suited for moderate winter use, forest camping, or short trips rather than long base camp stays. Think of it as an entry-level hot tent that introduces you to stove camping without adding complexity or weight. This is where things start to feel serious. The POMOLY Circle 2 is clearly designed by people who understand winter camping. The 20D ripstop Silnylon keeps weight down while still delivering a solid 3,000 millimeter waterproof rating, and the circular base combined with internal bracing dramatically improves wind resistance compared to standard pyramid tents. The integrated snow skirt is a standout feature. It seals the tent naturally in deep snow without extra work, which matters when temperatures drop and wind picks up. Interior space is generous for 2 adults with a stove and gear, and the structure holds its shape exceptionally well in exposed terrain. This is a true 4-season hot tent that balances packability with storm performance, making it ideal for nomads, winter trekkers, and stove campers who don't want to compromise. The TOMOUNT hot tent leans toward base camp comfort rather than minimalism. Its 70D nylon fabric and decagonal base create a very stable structure with excellent wind resistance and heat retention. This tent shines when you want space. Real space to cook, dry gear, and move around without feeling cramped. The absence of an inner tent tells you exactly what this is meant for. Stove-based living. With snow skirts for winter and excellent ventilation options for summer, it transitions well across seasons. Setup is straightforward despite its size, and the tall center height allows for standing and easy stove management. This is the tent you bring when you're staying put for a while, hunting trips, winter base camps, or family cold weather outings. The Rock Fortress is a high-value, versatile hot tent that punches above its weight. Despite being lighter than many large hot tents, it offers enough interior room for multiple people, while still packing down reasonably small. The stove jack and snow skirt combo makes it winter-ready, while the dual doors and foldable skirt keep it breathable in warmer months. It doesn't feel as refined as premium tents like POMOLY, but it's dependable and practical. The fabric and stitching are clearly designed for real use, and the shape holds up well in wind when fully guyed out. This is a strong choice for campers who want one tent to handle everything, from winter camping to summer group trips, without paying premium brand prices. This tent is built for a very specific kind of nomad, the hammock camper who refuses to give up winter camping. The Dandelion Shell is uniquely designed to integrate hammocks and wood stoves with dual stove jack placements that make pipe routing much safer and more flexible. The 210 T polyester fabric and 3,000 mm waterproof rating provide reliable protection, while mesh panels maintain airflow when the stove isn't running. The layout is long rather than wide, making it perfect for suspended sleep systems and gear organization. This isn't a traditional ground sleeping hot tent, and that's the point. If you live in a hammock year-round, this tent fills a niche almost no other product does.